Hello, my love, and welcome to this self-love meditation. Today, you will cultivate all the love you need from the inside out, and you will recognize that you yourself are love and that you don't need to be in search of what you already are. There's a quote that I love that says, "Ocean need not seek water," by Jaya John. And I love that because it's exactly what we are. We are love itself, and so we don't need to go anywhere seeking for love. Did you know that when you think you love someone or you tell someone, "I love you," a lot of us believe that we feel good because someone else is loving to us, and that's why we're saying, "I love you." But that's not true. We're generating all of that love, all of those good feelings from inside ourselves. And so you don't love someone because they did something loving to you. Whatever they did was neutral. You decided it was loving. You thought whatever they did was loving. And so you tell yourself, "I love them," and you feel good. But unfortunately, not all of us show this same type of loving kindness to ourselves. And so we're going to listen to some amazing affirmations that will seep deep into your subconscious mind and change your experience of yourself, your perception of yourself. Let's continue. I am love itself. I am worthy of the best kind of love. I am good enough. In fact, I am perfect. Everything I do is worthwhile. Everything I say perfectly. Even if I think I didn't, I acknowledge the perfection in that. I deserve perfect health, and I don't have to earn it. I do not have to earn my health or well-being. Health and well-being are my birthright. I was created by a divine creator who created me on purpose, who wants me here, who chose everything to be exactly as it is. I believe this universe is a friendly, loving place that created me out of pure love and joy. I am meant to be here, and I am meant to thrive. The only thing that may be off in my life is my own thinking. Circumstances are all neutral. What would it be like to really see the world as perfect? Remember, perfect means incapable of being improved. So if I say I look perfect, it's not I look good or I really like how I look. It's that there is physically and literally no way to improve how I look, because how I look is the best I can possibly look ever. Not compared to other people, but just there's no way that I could possibly look better than I do right now. And that's just an example. Same with my intelligence. I am so intelligent. I am perfectly intelligent. There's no way that I could be more intelligent than I already am. And that creates confidence, and it's also the truth. So if you're someone who believes this kind of thinking is cocky, just decide it's not. And what's the alternative to this type of thinking? Thinking we're not good enough? Most of us have done that our whole lives, and It hasn't given us the feelings we'd like to feel. All of my relationships are perfect. They are incapable of being improved because there's no improvement that can be made. If I think any relationship that I have is less than perfect, then it's my own thinking that is less than perfect. I'm thinking about my relationships in a way that does not serve me. My family is loving and giving and kind. My family has helped me so much along my way. And because of the strong foundation of my family, I have confidence to be in the world and to do great things. And so I'm grateful for my family, for who they are, for who they helped me to be, and for how I was able to help myself. I'm very, very grateful for that. I love myself no matter what. I am my own support system, and I am the best possible support system for me because I know exactly what I want them to say. I know exactly what I need to feel comforted, and so I can just provide that for myself easily and effortlessly. What a blessing. I am willing to love all the parts of myself that I think are unlovable. Everything about me that I think is not good enough, I'm willing to be wrong about that. I understand that I am wrong about that. I truly am perfect, even if I think that I'm not. I'm willing to question my own thinking. I'm willing to go up against beliefs that I've thought are true my whole life. Maybe my whole life I've felt that I'm a bother to people. Well, I'm willing to be wrong about that. As of right now, I decide I have never bothered anyone. I'm always welcome. And if someone tells me I'm not welcome, then it just means they don't want me there. It doesn't mean that I'm not worthy. And I'll just love myself a little extra. God created me perfectly. There are no mistakes. If I think something didn't go perfectly, I remind myself it's just my thinking. Nothing is inherently bad or good. We impose our thinking on reality and then think that our thinking is real. But it's not, my love. So all the things that you want to think about yourself, it really is just as simple as deciding to think them. If I want to think that I'm wealthy and intelligent and beautiful and lovable and capable, all I have to do is just start telling myself that. And as I tell myself that, I'll become aware of all the thoughts in my mind that go against that thinking. And I'll understand that those are the reasons why I don't currently think what I want to think. But since nothing is inherently true or false, I can just switch my thinking to things that feel good. It really is that easy. I live in a beautiful, friendly universe that wants to nurture me, that wants to love me, that has never condemned me ever. I'm always forgiven for everything because no one ever judged me as wrong in the first place. I'm perfectly innocent, perfectly desirable, and perfectly loved. Who would I be if I just forgave myself completely, loved myself completely, and saw myself as the divine being that I am? Would I be happier? Would I feel more whole, lighter in my body? If the answer is yes, you can choose to say yes to all of that now. You can embrace it as the truth of who you are. You deserve to, and I hope you will. I love you.